great because of what happens at street level. But our streets don't update themselves. And it's not that we don't know how to make great streets. It's that we've spent most of the last century doing something else. Design of their cities, not just react to what happens and what's put on their streets. Building more roads to solve congestion is like loosening your belt to solve obesity. Barcelona changed the expectations in the superblock districts. I think that's a model for the world. And it's not just about changing the physical structure of the city, it's about changing the soul. And when you change the street, you change the world. Thank you all.